You have been trying to eat better. Maybe you even started working out, but your body just isn't changing the way you expected. The scale barely moves. Your energy feels up and down. And now, it starts to feel frustrating because you know you're putting in effort. So naturally, the thought comes in. Maybe I just need more discipline. But discipline may not be the real issue. What if it's not about trying harder, but about a few small habits your body relies on every single day? Weight loss isn't just about what you do occasionally, it's shaped by what your body experiences consistently, and some of those patterns are easy to miss. Let's start with sleep, because it quietly affects almost everything else. When you don't get enough quality sleep, your body doesn't just feel tired. It actually changes how it regulates hunger and energy. With good sleep, the two key hormones which signal hunger and fullness will stay balanced. You feel hungry at the right time and satisfied after eating. But when sleep is short or inconsistent, that balance shifts. The hunger signal increases and the fullness signal decreases. So you wake up already feeling more hungry than usual, and meals won't feel as satisfying. At the same time, your body is low on energy, so it naturally pushes you toward quick sources of fuel like sugar and refined carbs. That's why, after a poor night of sleep, cravings feel stronger and harder to ignore. There's also an effect on how your body handles blood sugar. With less sleep, your body becomes less efficient at using glucose, which can lead to more fat storage over time. So even if your meals haven't changed much, your body starts responding differently. Sleep is usually the first thing people sacrifice, but it's one of the first things the body depends on. Secondly, how you eat has a big impact over time. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat it. If you're used to eating quickly or while distracted or on the go, your body doesn't have enough time to properly register the process. When you slow down, chew properly, and stay present, your body prepares to break down food more efficiently. But when meals are rushed, that process becomes incomplete. You might end up swallowing more air, hence digestion becomes less efficient, and your body doesn't clearly recognize when it's full. So it becomes easier to overeat without realizing it, and harder to feel satisfied after meals. Over time, that can lead to consuming more calories than your body actually needs, even when you think you're eating normally. There's another habit that doesn't get enough attention, which is movement outside of workouts. A lot of people focus on exercise, which is great, but what really adds up is how much you move throughout the entire day. Things like walking, standing, stretching, or even small daily activities contribute to how much energy your body uses. This is often called non-exercise activity, and it can vary a lot from person to person. When your daily movement is low, your total energy burn decreases. But when you stay active throughout the day, your body naturally uses more energy without it feeling forced. It doesn't have to be intense. Even small increases in movement can make a difference over time. Let's connect this to stress because it affects both your body and your mind. When stress levels stay high, your body produces more cortisol. In short bursts, cortisol is useful. It helps you stay alert and respond to challenges. But when it stays elevated for too long, it starts to affect your body in ways that can make weight loss more difficult. It can increase appetite, especially for high-energy foods. It can make your body more likely to store fat, particularly around the abdominal area. And it can disrupt other systems, including sleep and energy balance. So even if you're eating relatively well, high stress can shift how your body processes and stores energy. This is why stress management isn't just about feeling better mentally. It directly affects how your body functions physically. And finally, let's talk about how stable your energy is throughout the day, for it ties everything together. This comes down to how your meals are structured. When meals are mostly made up of refined carbs or lack protein and healthy fats, your blood sugar can rise quickly and then drop. That drop often leads to feeling tired, hungry, and craving more food shortly after eating. So then you eat again, and the cycle repeats. But when meals include a balance of protein, fiber, and your safety fats, your body absorbs energy more gradually. This helps keep blood sugar stable, reduces sudden cravings, and keeps you feeling full for longer. Over time, this makes it easier to maintain a steady energy levels and you avoid unnecessary snacking. Looking at all of these together, sleep, eating patterns, daily movement, stress, and energy balance, you start to see a pattern. They shape how your body feels, how it uses energy, and how it responds to food. So if you've been feeling stuck or frustrated, it's worth asking a different question. Not just, what should I eat? Or how hard should I work out? But what is my body experiencing every day? Because when those daily patterns start to support your body instead of working against it, and that is when things begin to feel more natural, while progress feels more consistent and not forced. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Because sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. Bye.